Meaning of forced landing.
Forced landing.
Forced landing.
Forced landing.
Forced landing. Forced landing refers to the act of intentionally landing an aircraft in a location that is not designated for normal aircraft operations. This is typically done in emergency situations when the pilot has no other alternative. The result of a forced landing can vary depending on the circumstances, but it often results in damage to the aircraft and potential injuries to the passengers and crew. In some cases, a forced landing can lead to a complete loss of the aircraft, while in others a successful landing may be achieved with minimal damage.